Hello everyone, welcome back to Mason-Jar Garage. We're on the road today, headed to Chattanooga to look at and pick up, because I don't plan to drive 2 hours without getting it, a 1974 Pontiac Catalina coupe. I believe it's a 400 4-barrel car. It's one owner, 76,000 original miles. I think the owner, or the owner's grandson or something, said it's been sitting for 8 or 9 years now. I don't know if it was being regularly driven before that, but the car is very complete and hopefully very solid, at least on the bottom side, because the top side looks alright. But anyway, we're on our way there to get that, so I guess you'll see it when we get there. We made it to Chattanooga and are in the process of loading the car, but are getting stuck, so I'll give you all a little peek at it. She's dirty, but she seems very solid. Alright, well, we didn't get the end of us getting it loaded and strapped down on the trailer, but we have finished loading up the Catalina. You can kind of see it through the rear window there. So now we're on our way back home. Got a little less than 2 hours to get there, and then I'll have Kel do a walk around on it once we get it settled and everything. I'm not going to pull it off the trailer today. I'll wait till probably Saturday of next week. But anyway, we'll see you when we get there.
All right, so we did manage to make it home with no issues. So my plan for this car is very simple. I just want to get it fixed up a little bit, get it back on the road as a reliable running vehicle. I didn't want to see it get destroyed, and neither did the owners. They had a lot of people contacting them wanting to buy it for demolition derby, and they didn't want to see that happen to it. They grew up with it. So we're going to try and get it back on the road, get it reliable, and then find it a good home to go to, because I really don't have room for it myself, but we want to see it taken care of. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Mason jars on dusty shelves and to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.